Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and I am kind of just spur of the moment deciding to film a video. I decided I'm going to film a what I eat in a day because I'm thinking I might up my upload schedule from 3 videos a week to, or from 2 videos a week to 3 videos a week, with Wednesday being what I eat Wednesdays, so that I can share a yummy vegan what I eat in a day video every week, because I like those videos, so I'm gonna try and become better at filming them. So we'll see how that goes. So, just our standard intro. I'm wearing the Loft pants again. Yes, I know, we gotta clean the mirror. They're just so comfortable, and I will link to them down below. I love these so much. And then I'm wearing this t-shirt from Pangea Printing, which is a Baltimore-based company. They have lots of really cool Baltimore t-shirts and other types of t-shirts. And then I also have to share that I have already downed a whole mug of coffee. My cute little poison mug. This was from Marshall's or Home Goods, like couple of years ago. This is not new, but they probably have similar type of things out as they do every year. Oh, my glasses are from Firmoo. I will try and find the exact frames these are, but I usually can't. So I'll link something similar. Firmoo has really cheap frames though, so if you are on the look for glasses, I would check that out. Not sponsored or anything like that, but they're really cheap and affordable. So, my coffee. I got the beans from a local company, which I will link to down below. I always forget what they're called. It's like Foundry or Foundation or I don't know, something like that. But they sell at our farmer's market, and they have a shop on our main street. So, I got local company beans when we ran out. And obviously, the beans aren't grown local, but you know, the company's local. And then I added Silk almond pumpkin spice creamer, just a splash of that, because I find the Silk one is a little too sweet for me personally. It's like clawingly sweet. And then I just supplemented the rest with soy milk to dilute my coffee a little, and so that's what I've had today, and some water. Franny's watching me film. She's a sweetie. Oh, there goes the lighting. Franny, are you weird in the lighting? Yeah. So it's about 11:45 right now, I think. I am probably going to hop downstairs to have some lunch in the next 15, 30 minutes, something like that. Oh, hi baby. You want to see what Mama's doing? She's so funny. She loves to sniff everything me and Austin eat and drink. Anyway, and I really don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch at this point, so it'll be a mystery to both of us. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and make some buffalo cauliflower for lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. I need to melt a little bit of vegan butter with my Frank's Red Hot, because that just makes it so the sauce sticks better to the cauliflower. And so I'm gonna get, I don't know, maybe like a tablespoon and a half into a little pot on the stove. Get that heating up. Now, I got this version of air fryer buffalo cauliflower from a blog post, but I don't remember where it was. It's a long time ago, and I don't think I follow it exactly anyway. So I'm just kind of doing my winged version of it. So I've got that going on the stove. And while that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and get my buffalo cauliflower, or my cauliflower head cleaned up and sliced up, and then I'll show you how I get it like crispy. Okay, so my cauliflower is cut up and it's all in the bowl, and then I put the butter and Frank's Red Hot mixture over top. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, not a lot. A little bit of pepper. Once again, not a lot. give that a little mix again. And then I'm going to add some panko breadcrumbs. I only have a little bit left in this jar, so I went and got another bag. I didn't go to the store and get it. I had it in the pantry. But this actually might be enough. We'll see. Yeah, I think that might be enough. The recipe calls for more, but I find that more just gets in the way. I'm just gonna mix this up and then stick them in the air fryer, I think at like 350 for probably 15 minutes, but I'll check when I'm partway through, maybe give them a toss, a gentle toss, because if you toss them too hard, the panko starts to fall off. But I will check back in with you guys when I pull them out of the air fryer and plate them up. So I'm gonna go get back to work while my cauliflower is cooking, but I did want to show you guys I'm just having a kombucha. This is the ginger grapefruit flavor of Wild Kombucha, which is a Baltimore-based company. I think they might deliver. I have no idea, but I'll link their website down below if it's something you want to check out. So here are the finished wings. They look nice and crispy. I'm going to dip them into the Follow Your Heart Ranch, which is pretty daggone delicious. And that is going to be my lunch. Not super nutritionally diverse, but fairly easy and quick and tasty. So I will check back in with y'all at dinner time, unless of course I want a snack before then. Austin has taken charge of dinner tonight. He's got some mushrooms, onion, and garlic going to make a sauce. He's gonna add corn, because he also made raviolis. Yum. And then he's also got Brussels sprouts going down in the oven. And it's gonna be delicious. I was working pretty late. I had a ton to do today, so he took charge of dinner, and I'm so grateful. Here is the pasta, looking real good. So good. And we just topped with a little green onion from our garden. I think he added a little soy milk to make it super creamy. Looks amazing. So here is the final dinner. It looks amazing. And then I'm having a little bit of a white wine. I can show you the bottle. It's actually really, really good. But I am so excited for this dinner. It looks amazing. Austin did a really good job. This is the wine that I'm having. It's super good. I got it from Wink, which I'll link to down below. Ooh, this hair. So last night I ended up downloading and getting a year subscription to Wow Presents, so I can watch all of the international RuPaul's Drag Race seasons, and I got sucked into finishing Canada. So I did not finish my video, but I did eat one last thing last night. I had an apple as a snack. Wanted something dessert-like, but not as heavy as like a s'mores or something chocolate, which is what I've been going for lately. So I just had an apple. These are, I don't know, from New Zealand. I don't know what kind of apple they are. They came in our Hungry Harvest box. 2 of these did. So that is everything I ate in a day yesterday. And it was a good day, pretty delicious. The buffalo cauliflower was tasty. Fran is looking out the window. She's so cute. The ravioli was delicious. I don't know if I included what brand that was. Let me see. No, Austin's already taken out the trash. It would have been sitting right on the top of the trash. But I think I've mentioned the brand in a video before. It's just one they sell at our local grocery store, so it's easy for us to find. But yeah, it was really good. Anything I've mentioned, I'll try and remember to link. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like the idea of a What I Eat Wednesday. So if you did enjoy the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. Remember to check out Amandaphenomenon.com for weekly blog posts, and otherwise I will talk to you all later.